Hey everyone, Backyard Adventuring here. This is a video about a blind I built this winter to hunt wolves and coyotes from. It's a bit pieced together because I wasn't originally going to make a video, but I did, and I hope you enjoy it. For the base of the blind, I used pallets, and then I built a frame on top of that for what would be the blind. For the walls, we just used a bunch of old boards we had laying around. We would have used plywood, but we didn't have any, and plywood's quite expensive right now, so we did what was cheaper and easier. I also built this little folding shelf, which I thought was pretty cool. We got the sliding window from an old motorhome that we took apart in the summer. The last thing I did was make a door for the blind, and then we moved it up to where we'd be hunting. Well, we're sitting in our blind, waiting for a coyote. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. We just reached 400 subs, and my goal was 100 by the first year of YouTubing, which is a lot more than I thought, so please like and subscribe.